Hey there, I'm Steve Burchett, CEO of Power Analytics Software, and we're here in Little Rock at SPP for our very first users group conference. We got about 80 different users in town representing 21 different companies. We've got renewable developers, transmission developers, a couple of traders, all the ISOs and utilities are here, and it's a really excellent group. The thing I love most about this event is everybody just getting together and having a good time. I'm seeing folks I haven't seen in years. Really the networking, the people is what's the best part here. I'm learning analytical techniques and how other folks are using our tools. I've gotten request after request to see the presentations after the fact because folks are understanding how to use batteries in ProMod like never before. And it's just great to have everybody together.
I'm here for the Power Analytics Software User Conference. I use Power Analytics software tools every day in my job, so it's just a great chance to meet people, and I'm excited for the opportunity.
Hi, I'm Kayla Moore. I'm the Manager of Development for Power Analytics Software. And we're here today at the PASS Users Group. And I'm very excited to have been able to showcase our next generation of software called Telescope. Thank you all for coming.
Hi, I'm John Nagel. I'm the CIO of Power Analytics Software. Thank you so much for everyone that sponsored our first user group. We look forward to continuing to work closely with each of you in the future and providing you the best possible software to make your job easier.
What I'm looking forward to most is the social event we're going to have tonight. We rented out a steakhouse. We're going to have a great time together. We've got an 8-piece brass band coming in, listen to some old rock and roll and rub shoulders. That's what it's all about.
That is kind of a bread and butter. As a tool for our business, it's kind of everyday user. Yeah, we cannot live without it.
Thank you very much for being here. And again, it's a joy to be with you all.